So today I'll be testing out this different type of glue. And we bought it from the dollar store to test it out, so it's probably not good anyways. Guys, do you think this weird glue is gonna work? It looks really weird, guys. I usually use Elmer's. Everybody loves Elmer's glue. And, okay, let's just test this out. Okay, so let's pour in the glue. Oh yeah, and you need this glue from the dollar store, from the back to school section, and some type of activator. I'm using detergent today, and you can use food coloring, but I'm not going to use food coloring today. I've never made a plain wet slime in a video before. I need. So first need to open up your glue. Oh, it has this thing. Just get that off. Ew. It's sticky. I'm just gonna put it there. Ew, it smells like old nail polish. Guys, never smell this. Okay, let me just pour it. Ew, why is it so liquidy? I don't like this already. Okay, I'm just gonna make a little one because I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now I'm going to pour in the detergent to activator. The detergent smells much better. Okay, that should be enough for now. Let me mix it. Okay, it's turning into slime. How is it still not activated? I added a bunch of detergent. And the reason I'm not using food coloring is because I know it's gonna turn like blue anyways because the detergent is blue. Okay guys, this is not even close to finish activating. I need to add a lot more. Okay guys, see you guys when I finish mixing. Okay guys, I finished mixing this and just look at this. Ew, what kind of slime is this? Okay, let me just pick it up. Ew. Guys, I would definitely not recommend this. This is so stringy, it's so rippy, it's so rubber. Just look at that. Ew. Yuck. It's dripping everywhere. I need a new napkin. Maybe I should add more glue. I don't know. This is overactivated. And I didn't even add that much activator. Okay, let me just add more glue. Guys, I can't do this. This is not working. Like, what is this? Well, at least it activated, but this is not slime. This is just a piece of rubber band. Ew. don't even want to touch it, but I have to show you guys how horrible it is. Ew, it's so stringy and rubby and rubber and smelly. This is just gross, guys. And it smells bad. That's the worst thing. Well, that was a waste of money. Or even if it's $1, that was a waste of $1. Alright, what am I saying? Okay, guys, this was definitely a fail. So I would definitely not recommend this glue. Make sure you don't use this glue. I would just stick with Elmer's or PVA because this is just for making crafts. Never use this for slime, guys, because that would just be a waste of glue like this. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Well, I don't care if you give a thumbs down because I would give a thumbs down for this kind of slime. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. And comment down below if you like this slime. It's the best slime ever, right? And make sure to go follow us on TikTok, guys. And today's shout out goes to Bella Learning and Toys. So if you want the shout out, go follow us on TikTok. So bye. Yeah, I threw this away, guys.